This is our swing frame. You can choose between our metal or wood frame styles. Our patented swing frames come with hinges and a gravity lock concealed behind the metal or wood front frame profile. You can't tell that the frame swings open. Just place your finger behind the frame and slide up the gravity lock to swing open the frame. You can then swap out the poster or sign. Or if it's a shadow box, you can rearrange or change objects, art, or other items. But if security is still a concern, as an option, we can install a side plunge lock. In the metal frame swing frame, this simple lock is installed through the frame. Just push the lock stem to secure the frame in a locked position. Insert the key to release the lock. In the wood swing frame, the plunge lock is similar, but is not installed through the wood frame. The front frame connects to the back frame with uniquely designed hardware and a mounted plunge lock. Push the lock stem in to secure the wood frame swing frame. It's that simple. When ordering swing frames, you can add the lock as an option.
To order, visit us at DisplayFrames.com.